I'm going to show you how you can make your ads to show only on Reels. Hi guys, my name is Stanley Chima and I'm with Elamedia. So I'll start off by clicking on create. Once it has loaded, I'll just select traffic for this particular advert. Click on continue. As usual, I start off by naming my listing. Since it's a real ads, I will just name it Reels for easy recognition. I click on make sure I activate my budget daily. Let me just pick 1,000 naira. I think everything is okay here. Go to the next stage. I'll still rename it Reels 1. I leave it on website. That's okay. This point is okay. The location is okay. I don't want to set any targeting. Then I go down to placement. Now this is where you do the major settings. So click on edit and select manual. So first of all, I only want people using their mobile devices, so I don't want anybody using laptop or computers to see the ads. Once I've done that, okay. Oh, sorry. Check this. Alright. So once that is on check, I'll remove this audience network and messenger. So I want the adverts to show only on Facebook and Instagram Reels. So you come down here, uncheck the feeds, that's Facebook and Instagram feeds. I'll check them. I'll also uncheck the marketplace, the in-video feed, uncheck all, or you just go up here and turn off the feed. That will save you some time here. So I've turned feed off. Let me turn it off properly. Oops. Okay, so I'll turn it off. So under stories and reels, I could turn off the stories, the Facebook story, but let me just leave it to run on both stories and reels since they are similar to each other. So I don't need it on messenger story. Instagram videos, no. Search, no. Alright, so let's go to the third stage. Let me also name it. Okay, this is the desired page. Is it the Facebook with the Instagram page? Make sure it's connected to the one you wanted to use. For this particular advert, I just want to use an already existing post. So under the setup, ad setup, you click on the create ads, then select use existing post. I can now go down and select the post I want to use. I actually wanted to use an Instagram post, so I'll go ahead and select. Let me just use this one. It has a text. Yes, it can go. Select the post and click on continue. Alright, so you make sure you put the link to your website, or if you have a YouTube, you could put the link to your YouTube and then add your call to action depending on whatever you're promoting. And that is it. Once you've done these two things, you can now click on publish, and then after review, your ads will start running.